Hi guys, today please see this boat, a little luxury speedboat. Here you can see all your boat equipment, inner decoration, configuration. Here can be so far is electrical control cabin. Your window is clean. And here is the steering system. The GPS with AAS and LiDAR all available. Here look at your left hand, and here is your bedroom with a window. Can open it to see more sunshine. It can be 2 layers if you want more people to live in it, and maybe adults in the lower layer and children on top. This is your bathroom toilet. Do you like? You can image something. Open the door. See the room again. Okay. The steering wheel is stainless steel. It is the setting. The window well ceiling. Here is the outside for the main deck with some hedge cover. And let's go back to see it from the rear side. The hardware all is stainless steel number 316. Okay, there are 2 lobby you can go front of this boat. This is for what? You can guess your boat.